Hey again everyone, and welcome back to another drawing your request video. You know the drill, this video will have a voiceover, so I'll pop in and out when I need to make a comment about something. But yeah, like always, sit back and enjoy my drawings. When I was drawing the F-22 Raptor, I had to squeeze in the drawing as best as I could on my paper, which is why you'll notice a little later that one of the wings looks a bit longer than the other. It's also because I didn't want the drawing to look super big, otherwise I would have had parts of the jet cut out from the lack of room. Of course, since this is a fighter jet, the jet itself will have some little details around it. And that is the F-22 Raptor jet drawing. On to the next drawing. Here's a little thing I wanted to say. While I have personally not seen the show Top Cat, I have seen a few of the Hanna Barbera cartoons from back in the day, even though I grew up in the early 2000s. So while the Top Cat show has not been one I've seen, I have heard and seen a bit about it. While drawing Top Cat's outfit, his suit and hat reminded me of how much I love characters that are dressed up like gangsters from the 30s and 40s. Those noir films with the characters in suits and ties has always been a clothing style I've enjoyed. One more thing I should say before finishing the drawing up is that I do like the simple character design. Top Cat's design isn't too complex or random. He's simply a cat in a suit and tie, which again I really like. And with that, Top Cat has been drawn. And that's the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, as always, I appreciate your support and it means so much to me. And as always, if you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you everyone.